मनीषा, so wonderful to see you. कब से तुम्हारे हुस्न के चर्चे सुनती थी, कितनी तुम्हारी तारीफ़ें सुनती थी. पता नहीं तुम्हें शायद मालूम है कि नहीं, तुम्हारे वालिद प्रकाश कोइराला जी और मेरी बहुत पुरानी दोस्ती भी है. पता नहीं कभी उन्होंने जिक्र किया मेरा कि नहीं किया.
अभी तक तो नहीं.
हाय देखो, मैं तो सोचा करती थी बड़ा कॉन्फिडेंट आदमी है. हाय तुम्हारे अब्बा को भी पाकिस्तानी मर्दों वाली आदत है छुपाने की. लेकिन जब भी नेपाल आई तो पता लगता था मनीषा इंडिया में है. इंडिया जाती थी तो पता चलता था कि मनीषा लंदन में है या कश्मीर में है. अभी मनीषा पाकिस्तान में है. How does it feel to be here, darling?
Fantastic, really out of this world. Really great to be here.
तुमने कहा कि I do not believe in changing nappies. I don't want to change nappies and I don't enjoy cooking food. Does that mean that you wouldn't want to?
That's totally untrue. I don't know when I've said that. If at all, I've said it many years back. But I love children, and I would want to have children. I would want to get married, and I'm a fantastic cook, by the way. So I don't know who's ever wrote that. Must be
John, that's the price one has to pay for fame, you know. You already have had a major fan following in Pakistan. I've had so many people crazy about Manisha come and literally eat my brains out, you know. Pakistani film theatre में जाके देखने का?
I've seen couple of Pakistani TV serials long time back, and I've loved them. This is romantic. I think the Hoop Kinari or something like that.
You had a chance to work with anybody from Pakistan?
Not yet. Not yet.
जिस रिश्ते से तुम समझती हो कि तुम्हें सबसे ज़्यादा सपोर्ट मिलती है, वो कौन सा रिश्ता है?
I think definitely my immediate family. That is my mother, my father, and my brother. And everything else comes secondary after that. You know, so I think my man, whoever has to come in my life, has to have a tough battle to win that place.
You know, darling, I'll give you some tips also. मतलब हाँ, मर्द की ज़िंदगी को हमेशा बैटल बना के ही रखना चाहिए. Such success really, जो बहुत कम लोगों को नसीब होता है. मनीषा, how does it feel to be such a superstar?
Well, actually, I've never taken myself as a star, honestly speaking, you know, and I'm not lying that. And it's basically my parents who have always, you know, held my hand, my foot on the ground. So I've never felt like I'm such a superstar or a star or anything like that.
बहुत सारे लोगों ने कि Manisha looks better than Madhuri in that dance, or Manisha looks fresher, and Madhuri I think was pregnant at that time.
I don't know about that.
It didn't show anyway, but some people felt that way. How was?
Well, my personal honest opinion, I think I was 2 and she was 10. You know, I think she is a wonderful dancer. She is, I think, by far a superior dancer than I am.
तुम यहाँ का काम कर लोगी ना, तो बहुत कुछ सीख लोगी हमारी लड़कियों से. वो तुम्हें बताएंगी कि बेटा टाइम पे कभी नहीं जाना. हाँ, डायरेक्टर प्रोड्यूसर के साथ कोऑपरेट कभी नहीं करना. चाहे एक ही फिल्म जिंदगी में की हो, लेकिन टैंट्रम्स बहुत सारे थ्रो करना, क्योंकि इसी तरह आप स्टार बन गए. मीरा वाज इन इंडिया एंड शी वाज मेकिंग हेडलाइंस देयर. लेकिन मैंने सुना कि आई वुड लाइक टू नो कि हाउ डिड द इंडस्ट्री सॉर्ट ऑफ सी मीरा.
I think, as far as my knowledge is concerned, see, I've been traveling a lot, you know, so it will be half knowledge. But whatever little I could gather about her was that she was accepted properly there, and I mean, I don't see there is any kind of discrimination just because she's Pakistani. You know, as long as you're talented, you're gorgeous on screen, I think Indian cinema accepts you.
A lot of the women here are very jealous of you, Manisha, for 2 reasons, obviously. एक तो ये that all Pakistani men are crazy about you. Secondly, ये कि तुम शाहरुख खान के साथ बड़े-बड़े रोमांटिक फिल्में कर चुकी हो और काफी उसके करीब आ चुकी हो, you know. And a lot of women here fancy him a lot. How was the experience working with the King Khan?
Oh, fantastic! He's a very good actor. B, he's a very good person, and very humble. Though he's a superstar, whatever, he is a very down-to-earth guy, and I think he's one of the intelligent actor I've worked with.
That my people adore you, they love you. Pakistan loves you, Manisha. Pakistan के लिए और पाकिस्तानियों के लिए कोई पैगाम?
I would say that this is my second trip, and I'm extremely humbled with the kind of love I've received. Among me, everybody else has received, and I mean, as you said, I love Pakistan too. You know, and I've made some really great friends here. I got to meet my family here, whom I had not met for many years, and this trip has been really special, and I hope our friendship continues, for many years to go ahead. And this is the first step towards bringing the two countries together, and I'm looking forward to coming here many more times.